Good morning, students. Today we are going to start your new topic from 8th standard maths. Your first lesson is rational and irrational number. Now we are starting. Before starting your rational number, last year also we did the rational number. But before this, we have to know how many different types of number are there. Actually, we did last year, but still I am recalling you. There are 4 types of number. What are they? Your first number is natural number, then your whole number, your integers and your rational number. Now, what are natural numbers? Normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and till infinite. These are your natural numbers. Now what are whole numbers? Whole number is which is starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and till infinite is your whole number. Then what are integers? Integers are your negative number, 0 and positive number, which we call as a number line. So all negative, 0 and positive are your integers. So from infinite, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and till infinite number. These are your integers. Now the main thing that are rational number. What are rational number? Any number. It may be positive, it may be negative. Only thing, it must be in the form of fraction. Fractions means it should be in a form of numerator upon denominator. Then we call it as a rational number. So it is negative, it is positive, it's okay. So -2 upon 3 या फिर 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, -1 upon 2. These are your rational number. Now the main thing is here your numerator and denominator should not be 0. Then you can call it as a rational number. Suppose if I am writing 2 upon 0, then it is not your rational number. If I am saying 0 upon 2, this is not a rational number. Your numerator and denominator should not be 0. Then we can call it as a rational number. Positive, negative, both are okay. But the only thing, numerator and denominator should not be 0. Then we call it as a rational number. Now this is just a revision which we actually did last year. Now this year your first topic is how to draw these rational numbers on number line. Your topic is how to draw rational numbers on number line, or how to show your rational numbers on a number line. Now we all know what is number line, which actually we have did it last year also. Number line is means what? This straight line where your 0 is at the center. 1, 2, 3 or आगे infinite. Still similarly here -1, -2, -3 here in a till infinite. Okay. Now we know 1, we know 3 and so on so forth. This distance is always common. The distance between 0 to 1, distance between 1 to 2. So these distances are always common. Suppose if I am taking 2 centimeter, so 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. If I am taking 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So distance always remain constant. Now how to draw number line. Your first step, how to show your rational number on a number line. Your first step is to draw this number line. Okay. Afterward, suppose if I have to draw show the number 4 upon 2. Suppose I have to this rational number. I want to show this rational number on this number line. Then there are two important points are here. This is your numerator and this is your denominator. So first what we will consider? Your denominator. What is your which is the number? 2. Okay? If your denominator showing number 2, then what you will do? Divide each part in two equal parts. That means divide 0 to 1 in 2 equal parts. Divide 1 to 2 in 2 equal parts. Divide 2 to 3 in 2 equal parts. Similarly here. So, see this 0 to 1, 1, 2, 1 to 2, 1, 2. So, I have divided it in 2 parts. Okay. Now, this part is done. Denominator part is done. Now, see your numerator. Which value is there in your numerator? 4. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? From 0, start counting. But this is positive. There is no sign. That means it's positive. So, we will go to our right hand side. This is your left hand side. So, we are going to count on our right hand side 4 lines. So, this is my first line. This is my second line. This is my third line. And this is my fourth line. Correct? So, here I will denote 4 upon 2. Okay. Suppose I am taking same number line. I have to show 5 upon 2. I have to show 5 upon 2. Now denominator. First we have to see our denominator. Denominator is 2. Again we have to divide the 2 parts which we have did already. Okay. Now your denominator part done. Now your numerator is how much? 5. So from 0 count 5 lines. Again this is positive. So we will go to the right hand side. So your first line, second line, third line, fourth line, and this is my fifth line. So here I will write 5 upon 2. Okay. Suppose the number which I want to show is minus 3 upon 2. Again 2, denominator is 2, which I have already did, which I have already divided into 2 parts. So denominator part done. Now numerator. Numerator is how much? Minus 3. Minus. So I will go to the left side. How much digits? 3. How much number is 3? So 3 lines. So 1, 2 and 3. So my number will come here. Minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now suppose this much understood. Now I want to show new rational number, that is 4 upon 3. I want to show this rational number 4 upon 3. But what is my denominator? 3. But here I have divided this into 2 parts. So I can't show this 4 upon 3 in this number line. For that I have to draw new number line. So I am drawing new number line. Okay. So my 0 is here, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. Now my denominator is 3. Therefore, I will divide all this in 3 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, these are bigger one and smaller lines which I have divided the parts. Okay, now my denominator part is done. 3. I have divided in 3 parts. Now my numerator is showing number 4. So count 4 lines. And again there is a positive sign. I mean no sign is it's a positive sign. So we will go to our right hand side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my number will come here, that is 4 upon 3. Suppose now I have to show number minus 5 upon 3. So 3 I have already divided. So my denominator part is over. Now my numerator is minus 5. So it's showing minus. So I'll go to left side. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I will show my minus 5 upon 3. Clear? So this is the way you have to show your rational numbers on your number line, where you have to first check your denominator, accordingly divide your parts, then count the number lines according to count those lines according to your numerator and show your rational number on that number line. Now I am giving you activity regarding this topic, where I have given you some problems. Now if for every problem you have to draw separate number line. Why? Because in every question you will get different denominator. So if the different denominator is there, then you have to divide this part in different parts. Correct? Like what we did first and second. Here your denominator is 2 and here your denominator is 3. So for every question, draw different number line and show these numbers on your number line. I am giving you this activity. By tomorrow, you have to submit it to me back. If you have any doubt, you're free to ask me. You can WhatsApp me or you can call me, is fine. But make yourself very clear. This is the start of your 8th standard portion. Concentrate on your studies. We are doing different way. This is an online study, I say, where I am not in front of you actually, but I tried my best. Still, if you have any doubt, you're free to ask. Best of luck, guys, for your 8th standard. Give your best and start your studies. Please send back your completed assignment in given timeline. That's it for today.